will not open. Not that I ever use this thing. Don't buy a vehicle with a skylight. You're never going to use it. See if this Gorilla Glue sunroof repair worked. There's the sunroof. There's my head. So last time we came through here, we had a few issues. So we're going to see what happens. Here's a tip. Don't put duct tape on your skylight if it leaks, because you're going to have a mess to clean up. Check this out. Look at this. Yeah, so it's going to be fun. So we're going to use some alcohol and try and clean this up. So watch this process here. See how well this works. I'm not too confident that it's going to work, but ooh, wow, that's going to take forever. Uh-oh. This is going to be a fairly long process, if not impossible process. Look at that. Yikes. Well, I might turn you guys off because you're going to be pretty bored watching this one. I think I may have to go get something to scrape this off with, because that ain't going to work. This is not going to work. Look at that mess. Oh my. Yeah, it's going to take a while. All right, stay here. So here's my temporary fix for a 2014 Jeep Skylight that would not open, and I was getting tons of wind noise. So I taped this molding, some painter's tape, and now it opens. So we got to find some glue that can glue that weather stripping back in place with. Open it. And now it slides perfect. So what was happening is I guess that molding was just hanging down enough that it was preventing this thing from sliding back. So I gotta find some glue to glue this, whatever the hell it is. Unless there's a replacement piece, but I think we'll try some glue. So there you go. If your Jeep Skylight won't open, and I was getting tons of wind noise on the highway, which is how I noticed it. So you just have to get that piece of molding back in place. So good luck. Hope this helps. Well, I'm gonna try this razor blade method here. Let's see if this works better. I don't think I'm going to be too happy about this, but I'm not too happy that it's leaking either. So I guess we're even in that regard. Yes, this is a first-class mess here. What a mess. What a mess. Alright, so now we're going to use, where'd it go? Wesson oil to the rescue. Seems to be getting rid of some of the glue here, but this is still a pretty good mess, I have to say. The good news is the glue isn't really on the part that I have to glue back together. I'm not sure this is gonna work. Gorilla Glue? I guess. Huh, look at that, you just unscrewed a little cap. if this is gonna work or not. Time will tell. This is gonna work. Here's the plan. Some of these wood shims. Double them up. Clamp this down like so. Oops, just lost the clamp. It's probably not good. Let's see if that works. It's clamped and glued. I need more clamps. I gotta go find some more clamps. Stay here. Alright, so that's all the clamps I can find. Just worried that they're gonna get clamped to my skylight, never get them off here again. But let's see what else to do. So it's gonna have to be good enough. And how long this glue takes to dry, time will tell. So out for now. I'm not going to declare victory just yet, but it's possible this Gorilla Glue and somebody made a mess using it. It might have actually worked. Let's take these clamps off. Figure out how to do that. Let's see what happened here. I'll put you guys down for a second. I think. Alright, maybe not. We can do it this way here. A little bit of extra glue here and there. Not the prettiest job you've ever seen. I use the wooden shims to kind of give it some more pressure. Put all this stuff down there. Alright, let's see if this thing closes and what happens here. So, it's kind of a mess. Let's see what happens when we try to operate the skylight. Hopefully it seals up. Now will it open? Not that I ever use this thing. Don't buy a vehicle with a skylight. You're never going to use it. Look at that, it opened. So the next question is, does it leak? We'll see. Huh. Might have worked. Gorilla Glue may have fixed the skylight. Or not skylight, sunroof, sorry. Sunroof. So there you go. We'll see if it leaks. And I gotta figure out a way to get all that extra glue. That's all over the place. I'm a sloppy gluer, people. Alright, thanks for watching. Take this 2014 Jeep through the car wash and see if this Gorilla Glue sunroof repair worked. There's the sunroof. There's my head. So last time we came through here, we had a few issues. So we're going to see what happens this time. Wish me luck. It's like $6 worth of glue. See if it works. All right, I'll let you know. I'm gonna get a video of it in a second. Last time we had some problems. All right, let's see what happens. Well, that's the windshield, so I don't think that leaks. Let's see what happens when they do the roof portion of this thing. Yeah, what's the point of all these lights in here anyway? Do these lights make a difference? Or is that simply to make you think that something's happening? Alright, almost showtime. Last time we had a few leaks. Let's see what happens here. This could be interesting. I mean, you know, Gorilla Glue claims like it's waterproof. Let's see here. Nothing yet. Tell, but who knows? Doesn't seem like it's leaking. It's hard to say. It's funky looking. Well, we're almost at the end here. Alright, I don't see any leaks. I don't see any leaks, so it might have worked. Gorilla Glue might have fixed the sunroof in the Jeep.